In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with hosting your emails. This quick and easy tutorial will guide you through the setup process, making it simple and stress-free to manage your email accounts with Hostinger. To begin the journey of setting up your email, head over to the Hostinger website. Once you're on their homepage, look for the Emails option, which will lead you towards managing your email settings. Clicking on Emails will take you to the Email Management dashboard. Here, you'll find everything you need to organize and personalize your email accounts. Next, you'll want to locate the Manage button. By clicking on it, you'll open up a more detailed view of your email settings, providing you with more granular options for managing your accounts. From here, the journey continues by selecting Mailboxes, which is the central hub for handling your email addresses. Within the Mailboxes section, it's time to create your new email address. Simply click on Create a Mailbox to start customizing your new email account. Deciding how many mailboxes you need is important, as it dictates how you'll organize your communications. If you find yourself needing more than the default allocation, there is an option to click on Upgrade. This will give you access to more mailboxes, helping you expand your email usage capabilities. The next step is crucial: connecting your email to a domain. To do this, click on Connect Domain. This action links your email address to your website domain, lending it a professional appearance. On this screen, you'll find the space to connect your domain. Simply input the required details, and you're all set. By establishing this connection, your emails will seamlessly align with your personal or business brand. Once the domain is connected, revert to the Mailboxes section to ensure everything is set up correctly. From there, navigate to Webmail. This is where you can access your emails directly, providing a centralized location for sending and receiving messages. Clicking on Webmail will guide you to the login page. Here, you can log into your newly created email account. Finally, after logging in, you're ready to use your Hostinger email. Everything you need is now at your fingertips, from composing emails to organizing your inbox. With these steps complete, managing your communications has never been easier. And there you have it. The setup process with Hostinger is straightforward and efficient, ensuring you can focus on what matters most, whether it's personal connections or business opportunities. Thanks for joining me today. Remember to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.